my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Tokozo, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. I know that I've been MIA for a while now, and even prior to that, like, I'm aware that I was not consistent at all. I really don't like that about myself. I'm just praying by the grace of God, now that I'm back, boost consistently, like yeah. What? Oh my gosh, like, why am I thinking about this too much? Anyway, so like, one of the reasons I had to like take a break was because like I needed it. Like, I had to undergo some personal growth, some character development, and all I can say is I feel better now. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, you know. I had to just decide, you know, like, it just got to that point, and I'm really sorry that I was not consistent and I just disappeared, but I'm back now, and I'm just praying that like, I stick around for longer, like I actually stick around forever. That's the plan. I really love posting on this app. I really love vlogging. I love this app. I just needed the break. I know very, like, my posting patterns sucked. Like, I was really bad, like it's not even funny. But now, like, I want to try again, and I really want to put the effort. So thank you so much for your undying support. Please enjoy the vlog that I recorded for you guys, and yeah, please continue supporting me. Please continue liking, commenting, and subscribe. And yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. Yeah.
All I do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get into the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide, yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a big cage, man. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Last, baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. Trust what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me. Baby, you don't know. Baby, you don't know. You won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. My heart speak, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I've forgotten what day of the vlog it is, but today I'm gonna be baking muffins. I've never actually baked. I've watched people bake a few times, but I've never actually been hands-on, so it's gonna be like my first time. Yeah, stick around and see the results. And I don't even think it's gonna be a challenge because I mean it's already mixed and stuff, so yeah.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you
serum effectively reduce dark spots?
The glycolic bright serum worked wonders for me. I just finished washing the dishes. Let's try them. These are good. And I have some tea. Apple Susan. I'll see you guys later, if not tomorrow. Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm trying to get my hair done today. I'll come back and show you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Doza. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today is the 1st of February and I'm going to the stadium, FNB Stadium to be specific. I'm going to watch the derby. You saw it's a derby, ne? Yeah, the Soweto derby. The Chiefs versus Pirates, Orlando Pirates. Yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go.
turn the music up. It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, wind it back once more. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, done. Shake it to the movie, comes the sun. Everybody in the club, and me a run. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. 1 time for your mind, say it, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for you, come let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come on.
Yeah.